Everyone. I have created a basic clock in Python. So let us see my code. So I have here I have imported five libraries that you can see. The first library is datetime, and I have used this library for importing the current date time and to set alarm. And the second library is GTTS. The full form of GTTS is get text to speech. That this library can convert a particular text into a speech that we can play. And next library is play sound. I have used this library for playing the audio that I have converted using GTTS. And the next library is calendar that I have used for printing a particular calendar of a particular month and a year. And next library is OS. I have used it for the deleting all of the recording that I have created using GTTS. So let us go through the code. So first of all, these are the basic printing statement. Welcome to clock. And after that, I have saved some text into the sound using GTTS. So basically, this sentence will be saved into S1 variable, and it will be saved as an a .mp3 file. Like it, I have saved many more sounds, and after that, here with the play sound, I am playing particular two sounds with the help of play sound library. Next, this program will ask you that which functionality do you want to use. Then it will show you there are basically three type of functionality. First is to set an alarm. Second one is to see a monthly character, and third one is to show current time. So after the user will input, it will react according to the input. So if let us consider the input is one, then there is there will the program will ask you to enter the time of setting the alarm. And after that, here I have get the alarm hour, minute, and seconds through the slicing. And after that, it will set an alarm. And for this, there is a while loop. It will run until the alarm time reaches. So first of all, here we are getting the current time, and after that, it will check that the current hour is equal to the given hour or not. And in this if statement, after that it will check that the current time minute is equal to alarm minute or not, and after that the current second is equal to alarm second or not. So it after that, if it the condition will be satisfied, it will play the sound to of the alarm. Now let us consider input as a 2, and if you will enter the input as 2, it will ask that which one's calendar you want to see, and after that it will ask that which year's calendar, and after that it will basically just print the calendar. And the third functionality is that it will show the current time, that what is it current time. If the user doesn't input from the given values, it will show the error that please enter a valid option. And in the last of this program, I have used a for loop in the range of 9, because that I have created in the upper code. I have created nine sounds I have saved through the GTDS. And the after program, this loop will delete the all of the sounds that I have created using the GTDS. So let me run this code for you guys. So it is running. It will take some time because it is saving the sounds. Okay. So now it is shown as the three functionality, and let us give input as two. After that, it will ask us that which month's calendar you want to see. So let us give the input as 10, and now it is asking us for the year. So let us enter 2020. So you can see that here it is giving the particular calendar that we have asked the program. So basically, it is my program, and you can get this program from my GitHub link. In the description, I have provided the GitHub link.
Okay, it is very nice project. And how the basic Python programming help you to develop this project?
The Python programming is if you have learned C and C++ and many other language, you can see that the Python program is very easy rather than the other programming language, because it you don't have to provide fully structure like the C or C++ and the Java. So it is very good in the comparison of the other programming language.
Okay, very nice. So guys, we'll meet you in the next video. Okay, always be a learner. Thank you.
Always be a learner, guys.